In 2020, the beacon of information technology awarded the Itel P36 Pro the best budget smartphone of the year. And when the Itel P37 was released in May of 2021, months later, the beacon of information technology also awarded the Itel P37 the best big battery smartphone of the year. That's why on this video, I'll be talking about the Itel P37. So, welcome to the Itel P37 review. I'll be talking about 4 key points about the Itel P37: the hardware, the software, the battery, and the camera. Firstly, the hardware.
Okay, the design of the P37 is not bad. At the top of the phone, it's a headphone jack and that you plug in your earpiece. And this side is the volume button and the power button. The down part is a microphone port and the USB port. And at this side here is nothing. You might be wondering where the SIMs and memory card tray is. This phone is an inbuilt battery phone but could still be opened from the back to insert your SIMs and memory card. At the back is 2 cameras and 1 flashlight with a fingerprint sensor that is quite accurate and fast in reacting to your finger. And at the front of the phone is a water drop display, 1 selfie camera. The size of the phone is 5.99 inches.
Secondly, the software.
The phone runs on Android 10, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage, 60 Hz refresh rate, supports HDR display, and it slows sometimes because of its processor. And the part which makes this phone not so great phone is that it's a 3G network, which is slows in terms of internet connection, and sometimes instantly cut your internet connection when you are using it at hand.
Thirdly, the battery.
The phone has 5000 mAh of battery that could last you for a whole day on heavy use if fully charged. And this phone does worth winning the best big battery of the year because the battery is the best part of the phone.
Lastly, the camera.
This phone has a 5 megapixel front camera and at the back 8 megapixel.
There will be no video coming up soon about the full review of the Itel P37, so if you don't want to miss it, click the subscribe button down there and you'll be notified when the video is out. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and also click the subscribe button down there. I really appreciate it. I'm Albert.